Oh my goodness, look at that highlight though. Oh, I'm shining to the heavens. Y'all, listen, Jesus himself needs to be able to see you from his throne is all I'm saying. You just gotta, oh, I'm so obsessed with highlighter. I'm just saying. Okay. Anyway, thank you for tuning into my channel. This is Pray Beauty, and all I'm saying is you're going to see some pretty awesome looks. It's makeup so snatched, it must be Pray. This won't be a long video today, guys. I am only here today to introduce myself and explain to you who I am, who I want to be, that kind of thing. So, I'm just going to be real honest. My name is Samantha. That's my real name, but I came up with Pray Beauty because, well, you know, I thought about what interests me and things that I like, and somehow jumped from like, ooh, I like owls to, ooh, I like this, and then all of a sudden, Pray came to mind, and I was like, you know what? That could be really cool if it's done right. And so that's where I came from. So now I am Pray Beauty, and that's what I'm trying to seek out as. And eventually, I would like to have my own makeup line, but for now, I'm just going to do like makeup tutorials and things like that, and come up with these really awesome looks to inspire you guys, and maybe do things like that. I do have a Facebook, I have an Instagram, a Twitter, and the YouTube, and so I'm going to try to like make sure everything just kind of like coincides with each other, because I want you all to be able to experience everything from every avenue that's out there. And I do say a lot, and I would apologize, but that's just me. I can't help that. But anyway, that highlight, guys, I just love to be blinding. So I apologize because I got a phone call right in the middle of that, and we're just going to move on forward. But like I was saying, you know, this is what Pray Beauty is. This is who I'm trying to be. And whether or not I'm the best thing out there, I know I'm not the best thing out there, but, you know, I do have a good set of skills that I can, you know, give to others or show to others. And, you know, I hope one day I do have that makeup line, and I hope one day you all, you know, like it enough to purchase it, and that'd be totally awesome, and that's a dream come true, and maybe one day I'll get there. But in the meantime, I just appreciate the fact that you're taking the time to watch my video, and that you're going to hopefully watch the tutorials and everything else that I put out there. Like I said, I've got all those other avenues that you can find me, and I will be doing Facebook Lives and hopefully YouTube Lives and Instagram Lives, because you can do all those that I just discovered. So anyway, I just wanted to put that out there, and I appreciate you watching the video. Things will only get better from here. So thank you for watching. Catch you on the flip side.